got 1,000 right now.
Oh, he's low ball. Uh-oh. New inventory. Quick pickup. Let's see what we got. What is it? What's up, YouTube? Here we are. New inventory. Got us a 2011 or 12. I want to say 12. Dodge Malibu.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, Dodge Malibu, really? I'm strung out on them Dodges, y'all. Chevy Malibu, man. 2011 or 12, I want to say 12. Chevy Malibu. Got some front end work that needs to be done, obviously. Fender, bumper, headlight. You know what I'm saying? Like a crack in the bumper. This fender looks good. This light looks good. Let me show the inside. It's actually one of the cleaner cars. Y'all know they be junky on there. This door jar has 180 on it. That's my jump pack. Did not come in here. It does leak radiator fluid. I'll tell you that. Like I said, this is it. The new inventory. The next thing we building. I don't know if y'all. Actually, I want to say thank you to all the subs. We're at about 260. I want to thank you to all the subs. Just hit 10K followers on Instagram and TikTok. So if you're not following, I recommend you look us up and give us a follow. I appreciate everybody's following and support. Let's pop this hood. See there how she looks. I did try to drive this vehicle back from Copart when I was paying for it. Did not work. Had to have it towed. Like I said, here she is. Here's the engine. I should take this and show you the battery. Damn! That battery, I had like already straightened something off. That was horrible. Looked like it had some struts on it. Sounds good for 180. Especially for 180. Like I said, you guys probably can't see, but it definitely needs this whole situation in here. Oh, the rebar definitely probably needs a new rebar. What I'm seeing, I'm gonna pull it apart. I'm gonna pull it apart, pull the front end off, and I'll show you guys what it looked like after that. Stay tuned. First thing first, gonna replace this cam position sensor. Got a code for that. I'm gonna upload the code for that. You can see they're located right here. Got them out. Got the new sensors in. They looking real good. Got them in, ain't connected them yet. Just wanted to show you how it is. Got them in.
3 days later.
I just want to show y'all what's going on. This Chevy Malibu, we're rebuilding. Got the fuel injectors out. Cleaning the fuel injectors. We had one said it was. Got a code from the number 2. Got my spark plugs out of there. Put new spark plugs in there. What else we got going on? Got a new battery that I'm gonna reinstall. What else we got? Oh, I also found. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we also got a little electrical. You see those broken wires down there? I don't want to pull it too much because I don't know how much I got of it, you know. But found out where that wire was broken at. Try to fix that. Repair that wire. Go get a new one. But yeah, here we are. Little quick update before we get into the body work. Like I said, I'm gonna reinstall these fuel injector rail and these fuel injectors. Go from there. Put the spark plugs in. Clean it out. We're gonna be in the game. Yes, sir. Got the fuel rail back in with the fuel injectors all cleaned out. Yes, sir. About to put the spark plugs in. Here's that broken wire. Then strip both ends. Gonna try to get it connected and see how it goes. Just want to give y'all a quick update of our donor car. We out here at the junkyard. You see it. We got some snow. Gonna be cold in a month, so I probably won't make a lot of videos. But this is the donor car right here. I'm gonna grab the bumper, hood latches, you know, headlights. Yo, we about to strip this, y'all. Stay tuned.
Few moments later.
Here's your donor car after. Got in there, got the headlights, bumper. Cut that piece for the electrical. Came back here, snag the bumper. And y'all, heart scar. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Just replaced the back bumper. Just got back from the junkyard. I don't know if I ever showed you guys the back, but if not, I will upload a screenshot or a picture of it. But it came out real flush. Don't mind my garage, man. A little dirty right now, but we got the back on. On this one, we need to rip into. I don't know if I ever went over the radiator condenser situations, but I did have that put on. Show y'all this dent that we got right here in the fender. Pull that out real quick. I don't know how much y'all can see, but got the dent out. It's a little dent still left in there. Other than that, it's good enough. Now what I'm about to do is bang. I glue that right in there so I can have my tab. This is a broken tab. I'm gonna hot glue that right in there. Don't even worry. Watch.
eventually.
Alright, here we are. Got it all put back together. Gonna go for a little test drive. That's the headlight that I was hot gluing. Like I said, here it is, all put back together. Gonna go for a test drive. See how it runs. Chevy Malibu. Go to the back.